of Historical Belle, and today I have a very special unboxing or unwrapping video of one of my absolutely favorite accessories. So without any further ado, let us begin. Oh, it's so nicely packaged inside the package. Let's see which one this is. I ordered several. For different purposes, of course. Very well protected. I am very impressed with this packaging. Oh, it's kind of just like slipped right in there. I know which one this one is. Do you want to do the honors? No? Because it's yours. Oh, you want to do the honors? Yo-yo? Okay. I'm just going to like... So I got this one for my fiance. It's for our medieval /Ren themed rehearsal dinner.
I got this gold crown adorned with fleur-de-lis for my fiance to wear to our Ren Fair themed rehearsal dinner, which I am very excited about. And the difference between a crown and tiara is that a crown is circular and goes all the way around the head, while a tiara is just semicircular and worn in the front of the head.
Alright, so the next one, let's see which one it will be. I'm so excited to see these in person after ordering them online. Oh, that's going to be... I might need scissors for this. It's so pretty. This is the one that they called like the Empress Tiara. These are all from BeElemental Designs. I ordered all of them. They had this sale where it was, you know, like buy 3 get 1 free, so I did. And this one, I'm excited because I want this one is going to go with a cosplay I have planned for next year. And I'm very excited about this. I want to go see what it looks like. I feel very regal.
So this is the Empress Tiara. It is very, very tall. It's the tallest tiara I think I've seen. And it has a very like crown-like feel to it, but it is still indeed a tiara. It only goes around the front, but it's very tall. I love the sapphire. I love the little pearls, and I'm going to give you a hint about what future project this might go with, and it has to do with something that is historical Disney. So if you have an idea about what this tiara might go with, go ahead and put it down in the comments, and we'll see if anyone gets it right. Also, Yo-Yo would like to remind you that she is the star of this channel.
And then this one seems to be the last one in this bag, even though I ordered 4. So maybe there's one that's coming later, but that doesn't make sense, so I might have to contact them about that. Unless this one has 2 for some reason, but I don't think it does. But we'll find out. No more tape! No! I'm not sure if I recognize this one. Hopefully this is one that I ordered. Please. Oh, not more tape. Very secure. Very secure. Oh. It has more like metal than I thought in the picture. So this one's more like a floral tiara headband, and I thought about wearing this one kind of like to my wedding, but I wasn't sure what it was going to look like. But this is in the running for wedding tiaras. And then I had one more that I ordered that didn't come in this package, so hopefully it's on its way soon, that I was going to wear. That was another possible wedding tiara. So because I have this one, which was a little bit more of a floral headband, versus that one, which is a bit more like formal tiara. I'm a little concerned about why it's not here. I have to check. I think this one's really pretty. It has like these little pretty pearls and shinies, but it also is like a nice silver floral design. So it looks a little bit less like a tiara and perhaps a little bit more like just a flowered headband. Because I want it to look like regal and pretty, but I don't want it to be exactly like, I liked having the option of having like a little bit more of a simple design. I'm going to look at it.
I think this tiara design is very whimsical. I also think it's very elegant in a whimsical way. I like how it is very sparkly, but also elegant and subtle. And it's not like this giant thing on my head. It feels very natural when I'm wearing it. So I'm very happy to have this as an option to wear to my wedding. But I'm not sure if it's quite the right fit.
I'm more interested in my hand than the tiara. Oh. I crowned the queen. Oh, no. Not queen. Princess? Duchess. Empress. I crowned the empress of the sofa. No, what if you just like... where put it?
Why not wear all of your crowns and tiaras at once? So here are the 2 tiaras and 1 crown that I have unboxed so far. The other tiara did not arrive with the rest of them, which makes me very concerned. Also, it makes me kind of sad because that was the one that I was most looking forward to. I checked the shipping status and it said that it's still at a distribution center, and it's been there for a couple weeks now, and it makes me incredibly concerned.
Okay, so it's been a few months trying to get this tiara. It's been a lot. The USPS lost my package. I attempted to contact BeElemental. They did not respond. So I said, well, I really want this tiara for my wedding, so I'll just buy another one. And then I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and there was no email that said that it had shipped. And I was getting ready to contact them about it when this showed up at my door. Yeah, Yo-Yo, it showed up at our door, right? Yeah. So I don't know if this is my tiara, but I think it is. So let's open it and find out. Like, it doesn't feel like it's tall enough to be a tiara. I'm getting very concerned. Maybe this isn't my tiara. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. Let's take off my pearl headband so I can put on my pearl tiara. Oh, it's really pretty. It's almost like a little big for my head, but I think I can just kind of bend it in a little bit. You know, metal's malleable. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now, does it look as good as I think it looks? Oh, good. And it also came with like a necklace and earrings. Oh, these are such big earrings. Could you imagine? Like, I can't. That's just really big. Whew. I don't even have my ears pierced, so that's not happening. And then the necklace is nice, I guess. It's kind of very blingy. I like the shape of it, though. I do really like the shape. Right, it's a little blingy. And my granny said she would try to make me a a necklace herself, because she does beadwork, which is going to be far more special. But let's try it on, just for fun. I mean, it goes with the necklace. I'm gonna try it on over my other necklace. There we go. Okay, I do love the tiara. I do really love the tiara. This is my tiara. This is my wedding tiara. That's fun. Okay.
So I've pretty much decided this is going to be my wedding tiara. I think it looks very elegant and very royal, and that is probably because it looks very similar to the Cambridge Lover's Knot tiara, which was given to Princess Diana and popularized by her. But there are some slight variations with this. It is not an exact replica, and I did not want it to be. I don't want to copy Princess Diana or any of the royals. I am just simply inspired by them for many of my wedding looks. But I love the teardrop pearls. I think they are gorgeous, and I think it's fun how it's paired with like the circular pearls. Of course, mine are not real pearls. The necklace itself is very pretty. I love the shape. I love like the V, like the wide V. But I don't think I'm going to wear it because my granny has said that she, or has offered to make me a necklace. So I'm very much looking forward to that. And it'll be very special and more personal to me. Also, that's a bit blingy. But I love how it looks. It's very tall, but it's also very open. So it's not just a lot of bling, but there is a very good amount of sparkle still. I just love pearls. Yo-yo, what you doing under there? Huh? What you doing under there, Yo-Yo? Do you like the tiaras? I like the tiaras. Thank you all so much for watching my tiara unboxing today. I am so happy to have found such pretty tiaras and also to have found one to wear to my wedding. Now I just have to try it on with the dress. So stay tuned to see the full look coming sometime next year.